Red onions are a great source of fiber, vitamin C, and folate. They can help improve digestive health and boost the immune system. Tomatoes can help improve digestive health and lower blood pressure. They are low in calories and high in water content, which makes them a great food to incorporate into a healthy diet. Additionally, the lycopene in tomatoes can help protect against sunburn and skin damage. Parsley is a nutritious herb that is high in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties. Parsley can help improve digestive health and boost the immune system. Additionally, parsley can help improve bone health and lower the risk of certain cancers. Tomato salad is a healthy and nutritious dish that is low in calories and high in nutrients. The tomatoes in the salad are high in antioxidants and have anti-inflammatory properties. They can also help improve heart health and lower the risk of certain cancers.